So military time is basically just another way to tell time, except it's on the basis of a 24-hour clock instead of a 12-hour clock that you might be used to. So how do we read this? Well, the first one we have is 0000 hours, which is 12 a.m. This is when a new day starts, and so we have 0000 hours, 12 a.m. And then we go to 0100 hours, 1 a.m. Or you can say 0100 hours. It might be more common. 0100 hours is 1 a.m. 0200 hours, 2 a.m. And you can also just leave off the hour because it's basically implied. So you can say 0300 is 3 a.m., 0400, 4 a.m., and so on and so forth until we get to here. It would not be 1000, it would be 1000 here. So that's where it changes up a little bit. So 1000 hours is 10 a.m., 1100 is 11 a.m., 1200, 12 p.m. And then here we have a little bit of a difference. So once you get to 1 p.m., this is basically where it changes. So we go from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. on a normal regular 12-hour clock, but in military time you're going to go to 1300 hours. So you basically just add another 100 here. So 1200 hours, 1300, 1400 is 2 p.m., 1500 hours is 3 p.m., and so on until we get to the end. So 2300 hours is 11 p.m. And the last military time that you might find is 2359. And that's how you say that. And then it resets back to 0000 hours, which is 12 a.m. starting another day. And so let's go ahead and go over some examples to help you pronounce these military times. So as we went over, let's say we have this. How would we say this? Well, we say 0600 hours for 6 a.m. So this would be 0630 hours. So same way we say the 06 and then we just say the 30, the two numbers combined. Instead of 100, the 00, if it ends with 00, it would be 100. So another example, let's say this. This would be 07. We've got the 0749. So that's 0749 hours. Let's say this one. So this would kind of like how we did here with 1000 hours. We would say 10 and then 45. So this number would be 1045, which is 10:45 a.m. in the regular time. Another example, so this, and basically a tip to help you remember is that if you want to know what time this is in regular time, you can just subtract 12. So subtracting 12 from this, we get 2:24. So it'd be 2:24 p.m. And then if you want to get back to it, so say 2:24 in military time, you just add 12, so 14:24. And how would we say this? So it's exactly like this, 14, like we said, 1400, 1400 right here. This would be 1424. And this would be 1607. And then let's say we have, I'll go on this side. This would be 2230. So if we had 22 right here, it would just be 2200 for 10 p.m. So here is 10:30 p.m., 2230. That's how you say that. And then let's do a few special examples. Let's say we have this. This would be said as 0:01. So 0:01. So this would be 1 minute past midnight. So 12:01 a.m. And just one final example. Let's say this. This would be said as 0:55. So this would be 12:55 a.m. And just a quick note, we noticed that the military time is just a string of 4 numbers and we do not include the colon. So thanks for watching.